Hi guys, let's take a look at 4 beginner lower leg grips. First, I'll show the style of grip, followed by the points of contact. We'll start with the calf grip. The points of contact will be the inside of the knee and across the calf down to the side of the ankle. You'll hook into the knee pit first, then reach the leg down to help lock into place. Now let's take a look at the shin grip. The points of contact will be the inside of the knee and across the shin and down to the ankle. You start by flexing the foot, but as you get stronger, you'll work on pointing the foot down. This is the inside grip. The points of contact are between the knees and the ankles. The calves contact the pole, but the pressure points to focus on are the knees and ankles. The last one is a crossed grip. Your points of contact are between the knees and ankles, and also along the calf and shin. This grip is commonly used for climbs and it can be practiced from the ground, so you can learn how to find your points of contact. Just keep in mind that the shin will not fully contact the pole when you try this from standing because you need your foot placed a little further back to support your weight. This will come in time, and these lessons are about understanding the grips and not doing them. We will take closer looks at all of these grips later on.